Now let's look into the more advanced concepts of ML syntax. That is using multiple lines and then using multiple lines and representing as a single line. So these kind of characters we are gonna look into now. Okay, so let's begin with the vertical bar. So values can span multiple lines using vertical bar or greater than. So spanning multiple lines using a literal block scalar. Literal block scalar is nothing but vertical bar. So this will include the new lines and any trailing space. So let's see this example, then it would be much clearer. So example, so include new lines. This is what the key for us. The values are, so we want to put that values in 3 lines, as you've seen, or as you're seeing on the screen. Exactly as you see will appear these 3 lines of poetry. So this is how I want to represent. Like this, you need to use a vertical bar. So let's do this example. This is advanced. It's so I'll put span multiple lines dot ml. Okay, so hyphen. So first one is using literal literal block scalar. So here, how I want in a 3 lines. Let's try it in a normal way. So include new lines. So I'm just giving, so new line 1 exactly as you see appear. It doesn't work. Okay, it directly bringing API version data password. Fantastic. Exactly as you see. Secret Kubernetes secret resource is bringing. Okay, that's okay. I believe. Okay, see again, you getting this issue right? It's not checking up. So that's the reason. Now you have to work on. You have to input one symbol, that's vertical bar, literal block scalar. Now you type it and then check in. Exactly as you see will appear these 3 lines of poetry. That's how it helps us. You see now, these 3 lines are exactly appeared. So now let me remove this. So now it's gone. Okay. So now let's look into the one more concept, that's folded block scalar. The previous one is literal block scalar, and this is folded block scalar. So folded block scalar will fold new lines to spaces. It will fold into, though they're in new lines, they will be appeared as in new lines, but all comes into the single line. That's what is called folded block scalar. So it will fold new lines to spaces. It's used to make what would otherwise be a very long line easier to read and edit. So let's look into this example. In either case, the indentation will be ignored. The examples are, so fold new lines, that's what the key. And then the symbol we have used, this is really a single line of text despite appearances. Yes, let's do that. So this time it's folded block scalar. So we'll check fold new lines and then symbol is greater than. Now let's check. So this is really a single line of text despite appearances. That's what I want to say. See, both. It's clear. Let me close this body with three dotted lines. Sorry, three dots. So this is how it looks. These are the advanced concepts of ML file.